Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Soledad Pajarillo. I am single mother with two children, ages 18 years old boy and 11 years old boy. My education is high school graduate. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have working experience in the Qatar from August 2023 to August 2025. I serve three family members, two couple and one elderly. I finished my 2 years contract and my duties are general cleaning in the house and cooking. But my priority is taking care elderly and household chores. My duties is preparing food for her, um, help her to go bathroom, checking blood pressure every day, and give it to her maintenance medicine, and go with her to go to hospital with checking check up her. To my future employer, I will consider myself I am honest, trust worker, hard worker. If ever give me a chance to be one of selected, I promise I will do my responsibilities to serve you and your family. To my future employer, I praying, one of selected of your helper. Ma'am and sir, thank you and God bless your family.